Property insurance in Florida, again, a giant mess in this country. Many people are either getting dumped by their insurance company or being hit with a large rate increase.
Yeah, the Florida legislature failed to address the issue this year. Some Republican lawmakers tell CBS 4 that Governor Ron DeSantis showed no interest in it. But now the governor is calling for a special legislative session to tackle the issue.
Trying to, bring some sanity and stabilize and have a functioning market. I'm confident that we're going to be able to get that done. I am not confident we'd be able to punch it through this week, but what I will be signing this week is a proclamation to set the dates for a special session.
Now, some Florida homeowners have seen rates jump by double digits, while some insurance companies are not renewing policies. Well, today, Republicans voted against having a special session.
Well, joining us now is Dr. Sean Foreman. He is the political science chairman at Barry University. Dr. Foreman, great talking to you. Now, this has been an issue in Florida for quite a while, and we just had a regular session of the legislature, and it was not dealt with. Or rather, the House had a version, the Senate had a version, but they couldn't come to an agreement. And all the reports we're seeing is that Governor DeSantis didn't get involved. Will we now see the governor get involved, in your view?
Well, good evening, Elliot and Jim. Let's hope so, because it is long overdue. We have not had property insurance reform in Florida significant since 2007, when Charlie Crist was the governor as a Republican. And it's not that they haven't tried. They try every year. But this is really a hard lift because of all the different interests involved, not the least of which are the companies providing insurance at a great risk in Florida. So it's a shame that they had to call special session, spend more money, more time. But I am hopeful they'll get something done next week or next month when they have the session, because they must. We know we have a crisis in Florida property insurance market, but the experts are telling us it's going to be a collapse if it's not fixed soon.
Wow. Well, Sean, as you know, Citizens, of course, is the fail-safe for many people if you get canceled. And many people complain that, the cost is high and that the coverage is kind of low when you're stuck with Citizens. So what exactly can we expect the legislature to accomplish in this short session?
There are a lot they need to do, and unfortunately, it probably won't bring short-term relief to any of us. It'll take time for the policies to kick in, and most people are already on this year's renewal. They're looking to get renewed right now, and I don't know that the relief will happen now. Let me give you two quick examples. One is, under Florida law, if you want to get a part of your roof replaced, it's easy to just get a full replacement, even if you only need a partial replacement, because the laws work in favor of the consumer. So a lot of times we're paying for full roof replacements when it doesn't need to be, and the rest of us pay for that. Another one is, if you make a claim against an insurance company and you go to court and you end up getting more for the claim than they were going to pay, the insurance company has to pay the legal fees. And so people know this, so they're willing to go to court. So all kinds of things need to be fixed with fraud, with lawsuits, but also make us have more options of affordability in Florida other than just the Citizens last resort company.
Yeah, and Sean, one final question. With the hurricane season upon us, what will happen if lawmakers do nothing?
It'll get worse. We'll have, again, this collapse. We'll all be paying more money for our premiums, for our repairs, maybe not even getting insurance in the future. They really need to fix this and get serious about it now with hurricane season coming up.
Indeed. All right. Dr. Sean Foreman, political science chair at Barry University, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Meantime, the housing crisis is hitting a lot of us in different ways and leaving many desperate for help. That's why CBS 4 wants to know about your stories and how you navigated through them. We'll highlight these issues and work to get answers and solutions. Send us an email at housing@cbs.com.